In this video, let us understand how to make wedding planner for an event management company. So it's a web application project. So this project is developed using ASP.NET with C# language and SQL Server as a backend. So wedding planner, wedding is a very important event in one's life. So a lot of requirement are required. So therefore, in order to organize all these things, we need to depend on the event company. So generally, if you go to event company, the distance matters and the timing. So instead of that, the event company plan to make it online. So once it's online, it can reach the customer very easily. So this is the project for event companies to organize the marriages and provide all the facilities required for the marriage or by online. Fine. So as we discussed here, you can see. So this is the event management company. So they organize marriages. In traditional method, then so people who want to marriage, so therefore they need to come to office. So this is their office, and they need to discuss here, and then they need to finalize. But now here you have a limitation. So this is the particular area we can cover. But you want to reach for more, like complete city or complete country, then you need to make it as a online. So once it's online, you can reach almost all kind of customers, right? So therefore this company want to make it online. So this is a wedding planner online. So here what we can provide, so there are different modules. One is admin module, the other one is a user module. Whereas an admin can tell what are the venues are available, then furniture required for the wedding, then food requirement, then manpower so orchestra, photography, and all these things comes under the manpower. Like that we can list all the things. So now as a user can sign up, they can log in, they can choose all these things. Then once they choose, so the company come to know, no, these are things are selected by the user. They need to arrange everything, and they finalize the things. Therefore, now it will be easier for to communicate. The user can easily communicate to the event company, and they can select based on their choice. So therefore, there not be one-to-one lot of discussions because it's online. Everything can be done online. So if you have any project requirement, please contact us. Now we'll see the demo, like how the whole project works. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and also just right click on the channel name and open in a new tab. So if you click on videos, you can see that here we have a huge number of project videos. So when you have free time, just watch the videos and then learn like how to make each project. So at least if you do 2 3 projects your own, then you definitely get experience. Experience is very important. So now we see the demo. So here is the project. So we already open Visual Studio. So this is a wedding planner. So these are the files or pages which are using in this particular project. And here is the database, event database, and these are the tables. Now let us run the project. So I'll select the project and I can run here. So this is the first page. So we can get inside, and here is your admin login. So these are the options admin has to enter. So you need to type what are the types of marriages, reception, grand marriage, and all these things, and the venues, like what are the venues. So if you go to list, you can see the list here. So you can enter the new venue. So for what type of it is a marriage, what is the venue name and places, cost per day, all the details we need to enter here. Same way furnitures and all we need to enter here. Then food details. So what is the total cost per person, that you need to enter here, and the details what all we serve in that you have to enter. And then other facilities we need to enter here, and then manpower details that need to be entered here. So we already entered few data here, so that is already there here. For marriage, okay, lunch 500 rupees, and manpower, security is there actually, and then cook is available. So like that you need to enter more and more data, then user will have a lot of choice to select the one. Now whatever is entered, based on that customer has to select now. So I just go to another tab. So here you can get inside, and then you go to customer login. So I already sign up as a user 5, so A5. I log in here, and here is the wedding types. What are the types of weddings? Then I go to register event. I'll just register a event. Um, this is a SEMA wedding. So give the title. What is the name of the event? The SEMA wedding. Number of people, some around 500 people. So what date? So let's say this on 28th Sunday. Details. Okay. So then you read more detail about this particular marriage. Save. So now event is created. Now you need to select the venue. So therefore go to venue and you can select the venue here. Select this venue. Okay. So other options, furnitures, marriage chase. Okay. So therefore you can go there and you can enter two quantity. Select this. Then food. So there is one food here. So this is for 500 people. Okay. So then manpower. There are two options are there here. So 10 people. And you want again manpower because you record a security 25 people. Now view the selection. So these are the selections which you have done. Now based on this you need to make the payment. So you can go to advance payment. So totally 8,25,000 rupees. So you have to pay around 5 lakh rupees. Okay. So this is debit card. Fine. So paid. It's a dummy payment paid on using CAN card. Transaction number. So submit. So your transaction is 100. So this is the amount and then all the details are there. Fine. So then you can go to customer move. So on the other side, admin can able to view customer events. So you can see that this is a new one, SEMA marriage. And if you select this, so what are the one they already booked? So the list is still available for you. So based on that, you need to start the preparation for the same, and then you can communicate with the customer. And here is the advance payment. So what are the money paid? That also the they can able to see. So by that they'll come to know that this much of money is already paid. So therefore they need to make all the arrangement for the this particular event. So this is how this online project works, and this is how we done. But anyhow, once you watch some more videos, you'll get a more idea. So then you can modify, I can improve this. Always you can do a lot of things. Keep watch our channel, keep learn, keep improve yourself. Thank you.